Ya, silakan ya kalau mau dimulai langsung aja. Oh ya, pakai bahasa Inggris jangan lupa ya.
Ya kak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
we want to grow to we want to presentation about Darwinet project, and we group uh, from me, Bima Pranowo, and Abdullah, and then Afusam Azam, and then Haris, Muhammad Ghazi, and last Kindi Al Fakih. And we get to uh, uh, translate their respective roles, and me, Bima Pranawa, to be leader, and Kindi Alfaki to be configuration PPOA and monitoring connection, and Abdullah he role configuration voucher, and Afu sama Azam the her he tall preparation and help uh, mana bang pemasangan installation cable, and Harris he have Afu Sauma Azan and Gazi also. Uh, Maybe that I can to uh, apa sih perkenalan? Lupa. Introduce about our group, and in next pack this is there are agenda or uh, plan. This is there are topology and tools and plan and monitoring in this spec. Itu gantian tuh. And in this spec there is topology jaringan or topology connection. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa sih? Bentar. Itu bantuin Fu bahasa Inggrisnya. Oh kan skema jaringan untuk
Okay, excuse me, I will take control of this presentation. So first about the topology, we have three client. Actually, is a or neck bar or my neck bar. So in my boarding house, I have I subscription to Wi-Fi or internet connection, and I start installation to my three neighbor. Actually, it's my neighbor is just two, but uh, the one neighbor is a have she has some store, and yeah, so that's why we installation in the three place. So uh, and that will be we have three client. Okay, so first client is my neighbor in the my big neighbor, So we just to take the installation, and the next is in the existing Bimo. Can you mute first? Okay. So next, this is our tools for the hardware. First, we have a router. It is a serial of router board 941 is a cheap router. And this router has 4 ports Ethernet and 1 wireless interface. Next is and the price is 190,000 rupiah, and the router just has just one. Okay, so next we buy a access point for distribution or a wireless signal, and the model is a TP-Link, and the price one TP-Link is 110,000. So we bought 3 access points, so that the price is 330,000 rupiah. Okay, next we have HTB. We bought 6, and the one package is HTB A and HTB B. Okay, so we buy 3 package. The next is fiber optic cable. The model is Dropcore. So this fiber optic just has one transmission data, but include the TX and ERX or download and upload. Okay, the price is we bought a bundle. So actually is the cable fiber optic is 40 meter or 30 meter, I forgot, but the price is 353,000 rupiah. Okay, the last is kabelan. Same like fiber optic, we bought a bundle, and the kabelan has a 6 or 5. Yeah. Okay. Next page. Okay, this is how to be configuration system voucher. Mr. Abdullah, can you explain about this part?
Alright, I will explain a little bit about how to configuration and how to voucher Wi-Fi works. First, we configure like another Wi-Fi. We had to use TPPoA for client. Then we configure bridge. First we configure bridge on a router. So we insert Ethernet 2, 3, and 4 to a single bridge, and then we not use a pool for TPPoA, but we use a static IP. So next, we configure TPPoA in every client. First, we make TPPoA server, and then we make a profile. In profile, we limit the speed. So we limit for every clients just 5 Mbps. Next, we make like account for every client, and we set the password and username. After that, configuration BPOA is done. Next, for internet source, we use a cable from Ethernet 1 to modem in boarding house. So we plug it in that modem like MercuSys, then connected to MikroTik routers. So after configure PVOA, we just testing first for connection. So we connect HTTP 3100. That is a model. We configure it. We plug it LAN to the routers and fiber optic to this HTTP. Example, this HTTP 8, and then we plug it in fiber optic. Next, the fiber optic connected to another STB or STBB in client home. Then from STBB, we plug it in LAN cable to the modem like TP-Link, like the display. So after we do some testing and successfully, next we configure a voucher Wi-Fi. So I will explain maybe little bit problem. So previously we had already to use Mehmon for instant voucher and the code, but when we configure it, some problem is we found some problems there. So we cannot configure Mehmon. So we use manually hotspot. Then we configure manually voucher export in Winbox directly. So maybe like that for Wi-Fi voucher. And for Wi-Fi voucher, we configure in wireless interface because all Ethernet ports has full to use Ethernet 1 to Internet source, 2, 3, and 4 connected to the client. So we configure in wireless interface. We set IP address, DHCP. We set IP address. Then we go to hotspot menu. We configure something like speed like transmit and receive. Then uptime and total byte like that. And then after we make hotspot server, we can configure like user and that's password. So maybe like that for PPOA and voucher Wi-Fi and a little bit how this topology works.
How much you sell the voucher?
We sell the voucher 5,000 for maybe 5 Mbps. And for uptime, we set maybe like 3 hours and like 6 hours. We have to what's that option? Yes.
Okay. Just continue.
Okay, next page, please. Okay, so this is how to we monitoring our client network. So first we use the software. The name of the software is PRTG PRTG network monitor. This is free for 30 days, and yeah, we use it. First, we install the PRTG network, and we connect to the MikroTik router with a wireless connection, or what was the name, virtual access point, and our laptop connect to the MikroTik with the virtual access point or wireless connection. After that, we add the IP address of the MikroTik router, and yeah, we can add the sensor in the PRTG, and we can choose the network what we will to monitoring. Can you, Mr. Rafu, can you display the example for the example? Oh, you don't have, okay, it's okay. Actually, I have videos. I monitoring the network. It's like a graphic traffic. I can see the bandwidth max and the minimum bandwidth, just like that. Next page. This is the end of the PPT. Oh, so we have what's the name? Hold on. Wait. We have capital gain is around 650,000 rupiah, I guess, or 600 rupiah, 6,000 rupiah. And the profit, we have done profit until this day, because the client will pay us in the middle of month or last month. Yeah. So until this day, we don't have a profit.
How much you sell your service to your client?
I sell the service is 100,000 rupiah per month. Is five speed, or the bandwidth is 5 receive and 5 transmit.
So you have 3 client,
Yes, I have 3 client. 2
and
client in
all
the
client will pay.
what?
All client will pay your internet or not?
Yeah, inshallah he will pay. They will pay in the middle month or last month.
Okay.
Inshallah.
So you can write that, about that is your advantage.
Yeah.
You can write that in this table.
Okay. In the next, we will write in the table about our profit.
Yeah. write the profit tag.
Yes. Okay. Next page. I guess this is yeah. So for conclusion of this statement, uh, like make a experiment in the our society. The conclusion, don't give up. How to we can try better day in the next day. Okay, my bad. We can try better in the next day. So don't give up. Okay. Anyone wanna be? Is anyone want to say something of this conclusion? And this is a picture or documentation in when we start installation in our client. So in this in the store of my first client, and this is my second home client, and the last this hard part is is like installation, and we what's the name, start installation like 20 meter, yeah, 20 meter. Is it the really hard, but we can do it.
For your internet resource or source,
Hmm?
what you use from uh, from from any ESP you
I use for
internet.
my I subscription per month for my internet packet, and we use that for our internet source. Any question?
Sorry, can you repeat the
Okay. So in my boarding house, I subscription per month for my internet connection, like Wi-Fi signal, and
Mm,
that we use the
from so
oh
you I
from
think you
OXP.
buy from Indian, right?
Yes, from Eden or uh, Arjuna Global. Yeah. Is it
Okay.
it's source internet.
So I think uh, another person who maybe someone can explain about the problem. What problem did you face when you do the installation network? Maybe someone extend uh, selain yang udah jelasin tadi ya.
Can someone explain the other of we talked about before?
Maybe Gazi can to explain.
Yeah, between Gazi or Haris, maybe explain about the problem when you did installation.
Okay. Anyone can some people explain about our problem?
Yes. Yes. Seputar permasalahan ketika instalasi. Pasti ada permasalahan kan, ada problem mungkin atau troubleshoot atau gimana ketika lagi instalasi, atau mungkin bagian-bagian yang challenging. Ya, sedangkan yang belum menjelaskan tadi antara Haris atau Gazi.
Bisa ya.
About problem information network. So in the first, the problem installation network in the cable fiber optic, and if we installation fiber optic and the internet is down, because it is a problem connection network, and it is simple. I said configuration PPOAN, success in the configuration PPOA, but from source internet to the client is down. The first problem. So the second in the problem installation network, and about someone in the installation network is something is in the sixth and the cable fiber optic. So in the installation is 30 meter. So this is hard. This is hard from connection first to connection client, and then maybe the problem installation network.
Sampai 3 kali loh saya nge-share link grup tuh ini ke grup mahasiswa nggak dimana masuk loh.
Okay, so maybe there is anything else about the explanation for your installation, or maybe another additional explanation, or just Maybe it's enough for explanation.
I guess is enough for our explanation, because that's all we have to tell you about our project.
Okay. Hmm.
Nah, terus ini saya yang masalah GPP-nya gak berapa bisa dibilang. Ini nih ya, biasanya ini kalau pakai musik biasanya ya, itu tuh tinggal ubah UI, gak usah sentuh yang lain lagi. Ini sosok pintar loh, sosok diubah-ubah. Langsung muncul kan.
Maybe
Musik enak, dia
I think
mau langsung kasih.
it's enough from me.
Nah, tapi
Just remember, is this presentation is recorded?
Yeah,
Someone have recorded this.
I already record this presentation since this meet start.
And you guys can upload this video in your YouTube channel. And then also you can maybe add another picture or documentation when you do the installation. Maybe you can add the monitoring the video when you configure the NMS, the network monitoring server, and when you do the installation in your client home, just a little bit test. You can do the bandwidth test in your client Wi-Fi. You can record that and add to your documentation. Okay.
Okay, we will note that.
Okay, so maybe we can close this presentation. Please give a closing for this session.
Okay, Alhamdulillah, we come the end of this presentation. Thank you for the Allah to give the part of us. That's why we can presentation in this tonight. So about for this end section, we can read kafaratul majelis. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika.
Subhanallah wa bihamdika, la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik.
So, thank you for everyone, and thank you for our mentor, Mr. Faki, for watch this presentation. So, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.